Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir MTech JU. My name is Rahul. So today we are going to discuss how to express one quantity as a percent of the other. So let's say there is a quantity, a number, which we want to express as a percent of another quantity or another number. So how to do that we are going to learn through some applications. So let us take the first application. Let us say 65 paisa as a percent of rupees 5. 65 paisa as a percent of rupees 5. So how will we find out the percentage? So the question tells us 65 paisa is what percent of rupees 5. So we will take 65 paisa as x percent of rupees 5, where x is the quantity that we want to find out. So we can write 65. Now see, first of all, before we even start that, we have to make sure that both 65 paisa and 5 rupees, they must be converted into the same unit. So either we convert 65 paisa into rupees, which is going to be 0.65, or you convert the 5 rupees into paisa, which is going to be 500 paisa. So better to convert the rupees into paisa so that there is no problems of the decimal over there. So 65 is expressed as a percent. Now what percent? Let us say x percent. Of means multiplication. 5 rupees means 500 paisa. So now that we have converted both into the same unit, you don't have to put the units here. Okay. So be very careful. Remember to convert it, because if you don't convert it, you will not get the right answer. Next, 65 is equal to x percent means whatever the percent is, whether if it is a variable also, percent means out of 100. So it is going to be x over 100 multiplied by 500. So now we will cancel the zeros. So we can conclude that 5 times of x, 5 times of x is 5x, is equal to 65. So what will be x? X is going to be 65 divided by 5. The net answer is 13. So what is the result? 65 is 13%. Okay, 65 is, since you have already given percent, so I'll just put the value. 65 is 13% of rupees 5. Okay, 65 is 13% of rupees 5. That is the answer of the first question. Let us take the next question. The next question is 240 grams as a percent of 3 kg 600 gram. 240 grams as a percent of 3 kgs 600 grams. 240 grams as a percent of 3 kg 600 grams. So again, same thing. We have to first of all convert both of them into kgs or both of them into grams. So it is easier to convert kgs into grams. So 3 kg means 3000 grams. And along with 600 grams, this will become a total of 3600 grams. And here we have got 240 grams. So how will we write the equation? 240 is equal to x percent times of 3600. So 240 equal to X percent means x over 100 times of 3600. So now the two zeros get cancelled. So 36x is equal to 240. X is equal to 240 divided by 36. So first of all, if we cancel, if we do the elimination by 12, so 12 times of 20 is 240, 12 times of 3 is 36. So the answer is going to be 20 by 3%. 20 by 3 can be also put into mixed fraction. So it is going to be 6 and 2/3. That is the value of x. So the answer is going to be 6 and 2/3%. Okay, the answer is going to be 6 and 2/3%. This is for the second question. Now we will do one more question for this particular topic. Next, 80 centimeter as a percent of 2 meter 50 centimeter. 80 centimeter as a percent of 2 meter 50 centimeter. So again, there are different units. 2 meter is 200 centimeter, and along with 50 centimeter, this will become 250 centimeter. So now we can write 80 equal to x percent times 250. So 80 equal to x by 100 times 250. So we can write this 25 times 10, 25 times 4. So we can also write 2 times 5, 2 times 2. So now we can write 5x divided by 2 is equal to 80. So now first we will get rid of the 2. So in order to take the 2 on the other side, since 2 is divided, so 2 has to multiply in order to reach the other side. So that means we have to do 5x equal to 80 multiplied by 2. Let us keep it as 80 multiplied by 2. Now, in order to get the x, we have to take the 5 on the other side. Now 5 is in multiplication, so when it goes to the other side, it will be divided. So final result, x is equal to 80 times of 2 divided by 5. The reason why I didn't multiply is so that I can eliminate. So 5 times of 1, 30, 16. 5 times of 16 is 80. 16 times of 2 is 32. So the answer is 32%. 80 centimeter is 32% of 2 meter 50 centimeter. So this is how we apply this to express one quantity as a percent of other. This is how we apply. Okay. So on the next class, we are now going to do word problems related to percentage. The basic applications are over. I hope you have understood all the applications. I would request all of my students to watch the videos from video 1 until now so that you understand every single thing part by part. I have tried to make things as simple as possible. So next class we are going to discuss about the word problems.